Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on the About Watch option. And here, scroll down, find the serial number option, and right here, as you can see, we have the serial number listed. You can also check the serial number by using the phone application. So let's grab the phone that is paired with our watch. Now open the Mi Fitness application on our device. Tap on the device icon. On this page, scroll down, tap on About Device, and we have the serial number listed right here. Okay, and that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.